Oh, she just looks so sexy. Look at her. Oh. Right, we have 152 miles left to go. We're halfway through our sightseeing. I believe we're going to hit the road for a bit. But the next time like we see something will be Lake Bled. Slovenia's bloody lovely. Nathan is officially the MVP. He just spotted the GoPro the cat left behind.
Oh no, I just remembered it.
Nathan, only because Nathan went, is that your GoPro?
Oh, I didn't hear that.
I wonder if this is on one of the dangerous roads like websites. It's no easier really than like the balcony roads, for example, or hard knot, is it really? So I would imagine this would be on the dangerous roads website. If not, I'll fucking put it there. Are we going into Italy? Apparently we're now in Italy. Right, we're now in Austria. I don't know, I'm not a team leader. I don't know what's going on. But the route has been bloody amazing. I am loving today. We are speeding through it.
And I had the best week.
The weather is just, it's hot, but when you're riding, it's so nice. Apparently we're going back through to Slovenia, but I don't know. That is with our fearless leader. Vignettes, we have no idea. The cat records when we went through the barriers, bells went off and alarms went off. So Chewy's going ahead and finding out. So we think we've got QR codes. Cat, do you have the passports to hand if they do need them? Right, let's find out what happens. Turns out it's from the tunnel. We've got so much bloody tolls and money. What's the point of the fucking vignette if €7.80 as well. Absolute fucking joke. God, it's hot. Dankeschön. This tunnel is so hot. I'm sweating. Absolutely sweating. It's not even going to be that much colder on the outside. What the fuck is all of that? Traffic, that's traffic for the tunnel. We've got to use the tunnel on the way back. Oh shit. Right,
very good, actually. It's done pretty good, actually. Oh, God, son.
Right, I've been saving my drone batteries for Lake Bled. We're headed there now. It's about half hour away. And yeah, get a drone up. Where the bloody hell are we going, Nath? We don't know. We were supposed to go the way we came, but Nathan reckons he accidentally put like a loop. No, he knew he was going to put a loop around it, but he didn't know it was going to be like that. So we are going back to Bled, but we didn't expect to take that kind of route. She's not happy with you, though, I tell you. We appear to have lost Nathan. We went down a side road, looked a bit iffy, like it was a private road maybe. I think he's bottled it and he's not followed us. Hello.
Hmm?
Oh really?
What?
Nathan's not there.
Oh.
We've lost Nathan. Every tour. Every tour. Every bloody tour. Every tour. Where? I followed your route, mate. Son, that parking place is shut. It's no detour and I have to pay for another bloody ticket. Where on earth are you? Well, you're not, because that was closed. Closed the vehicle. Apparently he's gone straight past that sign, it's fine. You're costing me a fortune, you know that? You are absolutely costing me a fortune. Well, we was going to go there, Nathan. Right, we'll see you in a sec. Right. Bloody Nathan. He says he's in a car park. I'll just follow it round. He says he's in a car park. And yeah, I reckon it's that one over there. There he is, he's on the left. Yeah. Always the last hour, last 50 miles.
I don't know how I got in here.
Lake Bled. that was Lake Bled, and we got to get move on. So off we go. Otherwise we're going to miss dinner. Today has been a proper day of riding. This is how I do tours. So much riding your motorcycle, just stopping off, seeing different things, getting photos, getting drone footage, lots of riding, hours and hours of riding. This has been a great day, and if we can get back for dinner, it would be top notch. So I'll go find the others, and I'll check in with you in a sec.
Going down. Going down.
Another €12 on parking. 14 euros on parking. Another 10 euros on a pass that had rubble all on it. God damn it, Nathan. It's the end of day 6. We got shut up, I'm trying to do the outro. I'd say it's been a really good day. Have you had a good day, Kat?
I've had a lovely day.
She said it's been a lovely day. It's been a very long day. It's been a great day. Tomorrow we've got about a 5-hour day. It's a bit more of a travelling day tomorrow, so we're not sure there's much to do. So we're going to play it by ear, see what happens. But we're heading closer to the Dolomites. So yeah, thanks for watching. Think about subscribing, and we'll catch you next time. Don't forget, shave your balls, not your face. Cheers, guys.